Good morning, all of you. Today we are here to discuss topic the chapter State Government, Unit 2, Civic Class 7, and we are starting the chapter The Role of the Government in Health. In this, the chapter is talking about the health facility in India. The health facility, what the health facility given into India. In this, what is health? We understand by the health, the this is the remain of illness. The person do not have the illness and the sickness, and they have without health and many other things. And healthcare in India, we are having more. We are having more than 30,000 new doctor quality every year, and the most doctors settles in urban area, and the healthcare have grown and over the year 1950, and the India has the large number of medical tourists in the India, and the India has the third largest producer medicine in India. We are having the and next is communicable disease, like the coronavirus. It is a communicable disease. In this the such example, the communicable disease from one person to another, it is go to so many persons, is called communicable disease. Now we are having in this the public health care we are having in this the person having long number line, and they are waiting for so much time for their time. And the story is given here. The Hakim Seh was the member of PBKMS. He was a member of PBKMS, Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. In one evening he was having a running and suffered, and he was having the injuries, and he was admitted to the government hospital in Kolkata. He refused because having the spread bed. Another hospital facility was specialized by the doctor necessary for his treatment, and he was having the critical condition, was taken 8 different government hospital, but none of them admitted them. In the government hospital, the Hakim Sheikh was not admitted. Finally, he was admitted in the private hospital. He was not admitted in the government hospital, and it was provided into the private hospital. In this, the that's why he have the and he get angry, and he attitude the refuse to admit him. Hakim Saif and PBKMS filed the case in the court between the uh, public and the private sector of services. Now, what is the public and private health services? Here, the story given about one student who was having the fever, and he go to the and discuss this story read by the on. And we're having the two type of public and private health services. In public and private, what is public health services? You understand the public health services by simply the facility provided by the government is public health services. Now we are having the private health services. In the private health services, they are having them by the doctor. Now that we are talking about the what is the facility provided by the and what is not provided in the public health services. Now, in the public health services, the person not having the proper bed and the other medicinal, all the doctors and all facility, and rather than the private health facility is having the so much facility in it, and it is having highest cost in, and all the things instrument, and having the neat and clean, all the things are present there. And we are having now the mm, and this is only about the chapter. And we are having the medical tourist. What is medical tourist? Where medical tourist refers to who come in the treatment of uh, any, and from the other country to pay on our own country. OPD, outpatient department. It is the broad treatment for hospital in the very emergency cases. It is the moral principles influence the person behavior. In the Costa Rican reports, the considered one of the healthiest country in the Central America. This is the place where the healthiest person are living. And the main reason found in the Costa Rican constitution several years ago, Costa Rica was having an important discussion, and the army help the Costa Rican spend the money on army would have used on health. They are not using on the army on their border. They are using on the health services to doctor, to our and patients and all. The Kerala experience 1996, the government have made the major changes in the state. The 40% entire state budget was given to panchayats. They could plan and provide for their requirement. It is talking about it is the pink area about the Kerala, and all this the chapter. This is the talking. This chapter basic thing was about the our health services in India. So thank you. For next chapter we will have it. It is the one of the best chapter.